Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. Through this channel I'll be providing some stock analysis and a quick update on the $1 Million Challenge. So if anybody's not aware of this is a journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategic or compound return investing. So the objective is try to get 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5%. It's not 201 consecutive trades, we do take into account losses. So for further details about how to join us for as little as $9 a month, information is available in the description below. In the previous video we looked at MMTLP and also COSM, so please refer back to the previous video for those developments. In today's video we're also going to be looking at MMTLP, and the focus on today's video is going to be some developments with regard to what's happening with regard to short attacks, brokers still not getting notifications, what happened in terms of the chart today. I'm also going to be reviewing the Right Brain Traders recent video and also looking at some developments with regard to Exxon, so stay tuned for that. So first of all, let's have a look at what's happening in the markets. So quick headline here from Bloomberg, we can see stocks close off lows in the run up to the Powell speech in terms of the market. So it wasn't a great day overall for the markets today, and we can see here global yield curve inverts in a signal that a recession may be now brewing. So not good news for the future outlook of markets. But let's now move on to have a look at what happened in the chart today. So if we have a look at MMTLP here for today, it was trading fairly flat, around about 1.5% down for most of the day. But what's certainly interesting in the last part of the power hour, if you have a look at the chart here, huge green candles, and it went very, very close to $9.95. But what's happened just prior to the end of the market, we can see huge attack, significant red candles at the end. The RSI has gone down very, very close to 30, closing down just in excess of 2% at $9.63. So certainly somebody does not want this to have a good close. So let's have a look at the volume here. We can see right at the end in terms of the short attack, lots of small numbers of selling, 100. So obviously that happened right at the end within seconds of the market closing. So now I'd like to give a shout out to the Right Brain Trader for a very interesting video that was posted earlier today. And if we have a look at the video here in terms of a post that I shared earlier, and this is the key message that I got from this video in response to Dave, who said, can you explain what this means? So I've stated here the key message I got from the video was that if there are not enough shares available to buy, people obviously due to people not selling, then the brokers will probably make sure that the shorts are closing, and if there is not enough shares in terms of people not selling, then the sell limit orders will take into effect. So what we are now seeing in response to this video, that many people are now increasing the sell limit orders due to this video. So if nobody is selling, then they will have no choice but to buy from sell limit orders. If the sell limit orders are high, then they have no choice. So shout out here to the Chief Mongrel, and what the Chief Mongrel has stated here is change a few orders after Right Brain Traders video, can't hurt a thing, aim for the barn and you'll hit the outhouse. Not sure what he means by that. Aim for the moon and you'll get over the barn. Not sure what he means by that, but happy hunting. So certainly a cryptic response there. So thank you very much, Chief Mongrel. So let's now have a look at the next update with regard to Exxon and also Mitsubishi. So there's a tweet here from Mitsubishi, and what they've stated here is Mitsubishi Heavy Industries and ExxonMobil are joining forces to develop carbon capture technologies, help customers achieve decarbonisation. Learn more about this. So this is something that I'm sure you're aware with regard to ExxonMobil. It's something that we shared earlier in a video, so very, very interesting. But what's more interesting about this is George Palicaro. So shout out to George, he has retweeted this. So certainly here what is also added on is learn how our partnership with Metamaterial Tech and DuPont Teijin Films will create safer, more economical, energy efficient and lightweight batteries. So again, a positive retweet there. Very interesting here. So let's have a look at the news with regard to Exxon. So dated here 30th of November 2022, headline: ExxonMobil Mitsubishi Heavy Industries from Carbon Capture Technology Alliance. So ExxonMobil is now adding Mitsubishi Heavy Industries carbon capture technology to its integrated CC offering. So positive news for Exxon. The companies are going to bring complementary capabilities to facilitate industry decarbonisation projects. So obviously this is a strong indication here that ExxonMobil is looking to continue more projects. We know they operate in the Permian. We know they are a huge cash-rich oil and gas exploration company involved in manufacturing, producing and selling. Agreement will advance the next generation carbon capture technologies. So the next shout out here is to J. Hugh Jeff, and what he stated here in this tweet is he's tagged in Mitsubishi, he's also tagged in ExxonMobil and also Metamaterials, and he stated here, any chance your new friends at Metamaterial Tech might be helping with this partnership as well, and not just the EV battery division of your company. So we know Metamaterials have groundbreaking technology in the EV battery area, so that is potentially something that may be in demand or in need. So overall, if we take the whole thing together, there is a potential link, and this link could be between ExxonMobil, Mitsubishi and Metamaterials, but obviously also tagged in with George, so positive news potentially coming up there. The final thing I'd like to look at is the question that is being asked by many people, and that is, have the shorts started to cover? If not, why? So in one of my earlier posts today, what I have suggested, the numbers suggest that the shorts are still shorting. Corporate notices from brokers have still not been received. So I think this is one of the key reasons what is happening so far. So in terms of going forward, I think once these corporate notices are received, the brokers will then get instructions. At the moment, many people who are contacting the brokers, as we saw in the Right Brain Traders video, are showing mixed messages. There is a little bit of confusion, there's no clarity, so potentially it could be the case that all of the brokers receive the information at the same time. Once the brokers know, then I think it's almost certainly guaranteed that they will take action. When that action will be, hopefully it will be very, very soon. So as soon as it takes place, we should see a significant increase in volume. We've not seen that yet. I do expect that to happen. We're still probably looking at 8 or 9 trading days left. So going forward, I think at the moment you could suggest that this is the calm before the storm. And finally, I'd like to finish off by giving a shout out to our weekly watch list. So this is something that is shared in advance with the Discord members prior to trading on the Monday. So some of the stocks that we called out include ticker symbol COSM. That has been doing exceptionally well. Last week that was up in excess of 167%. It also did exceptionally well today. We called out VEON. That did okay as well. GOEV. That's been doing okay with good news in terms of the CEO increasing ownership. We also called out MANU, and that has been doing exceptionally well with regard to some rumours driving up the price, and obviously MMAT with regard to it being number 1 on the gamma squeeze score. So congratulations to everybody got in some of these stocks. Remember, not all calls are successful, but we have been doing well so far. And finally, thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.